show is sponsored by Co Property Restoration. Contact them at 812-723-8700.
Good morning, I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Tuesday, November 20th. Please support hosts of Future Health Professionals by buying pizza. Pizza will be for sale today during A Lunch, B Lunch, and Junior High Lunch. It is $2 a slice or $16 for a whole pizza. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. And now to Colin with your Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. Boys junior high basketball will be hosting Bedford tonight at 6. Girls varsity basketball is traveling to Shoals tonight starting at 7. On November 24th, boys basketball will be at home at Linton High School for Thanksgiving shootout starting at 11 a.m. Back to you, Joni.
Yearbooks are for sale for $35 in Mrs. Nichols' room. You can drop off money in the office or in room 115. If you have any questions, please contact Mrs. Nichols. And now to Ian with your weather report.
So as we go through your day today, we have no chance of any rain showers, but as we head into your weekend, we can see some light showers, and heading into next week, we could see some showers. For your weather today, we have a high of 39 and a low of 27. Heading through the rest of your week on Wednesday, we have a high of 40 and low of 39. And on Thursday, we have a high of 50 and low of 32. Back to you.
I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic Thanksgiving.